Michael Chimuli is my name, and I'm a pastor at Christian Discipleship Ministries International here at Kololo. I would like to take this opportunity to invite all of you on this great conference, which is about humility. We all remember Bishop Senfuma when we talk about humility. We talk about humility in Uganda, you remember Bishop Senfuma, who is still speaking up to now through his books, through his preachings. And this is an opportunity for the launching of his book on humility during this conference, which is going to take place at Kasumi United Christian Center from the date of 31st of October up to the 5th of November. Do not miss. Great men of God, and hosted by the leaders of Kasumi United Christian Center. I know this is what Bishop would like to see had he been here, to see a conference on humility. So all of your friends of Bishop Stephen Senfuma, you are invited to attend this conference, which is life-changing. If there is something that God would like to see, is a church full of humility. Remember that riches and honor are the rewards of humility. God resists the proud, but lifts or gives more grace to the humble. Come and be trained, be taught, be sharpened about the topic of humility. God will richly bless you. May the Lord bless you as you come and join us during that time.
Don't miss the Humility Conference 2021, 31st October to 5th November, 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. at United Christian Center Kasumi.